Welcome to AskEver AI. The old way? Friction, delays, and buried insights. Let's jump and meet Sarah, CMO at QuickBites, one of the fastest growing F&B chains. She's on a mission to optimize campaign performance. But today, something does not add up. The dashboard shows the numbers, but not the why. Say goodbye to the stress with AskEver AI, an all-in-one solution so you can focus on growing your business. Sarah asks Ever her query. No filters, no digging, just straight insight. Real insight, not guesswork. Turns out the forecast was your forecast. Turn insight into action in real time. With AskEver AI, Sarah doesn't wait for the end of the month. She asks. She knows. She acts. She wins.